Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to fix transaction failed or can't create private server on Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's say you are trying to play a game like the strongest battlegrounds. You go to the servers, try to create a private server, and boom, error pops up. There could be few reasons behind it. First, private servers often require a Roblox premium membership. So if your account lacks this, you might not be able to set up one. Additionally, not all games on Roblox support private servers, as this feature is dependent on the game developer settings. You also need sufficient Robux, as creating a private server typically involves a fee. Technical issues with Roblox, such as server outrage or maintenance, can temporarily prevent private server creation. Lastly, if you're using an outdated browser or app, it could interfere with the process. So ensuring everything is up to date might help resolve this issue. First, check the age rating of the game. For instance, you might see labels like 9 plus, 13 plus, or all age. If your age doesn't match the game's age requirement, that could be the reason you're getting the error. To fix this, you will need to make sure your age in Roblox matches the game's requirement. Open Roblox settings by clicking on the gear icon. Go to the settings tab and check your age. If needed, adjust your age to fit the game's requirement. Next, go to parental control in the settings menu. Make sure all ages are enabled. If you haven't set up a parent pin, you might need to do that. This allows you to create private servers and access games without restrictions. With the age settings and parental control adjusted, try creating the private server again. You should no longer see the error. And that's it. That's pretty much all about how you can fix transaction failed or can't create private server on Roblox. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. Till then, bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.